The search for the best student accommodation in London ends here with the Mannequin House. This property offers everything you've been looking for. Fully furnished stylish studio apartments with fitted kitchens, 2-bed apartments, all bills included, exciting booking offers, and the largest rooms in London with the lowest prices you will find. Here at the Mannequin House, you will get access to beautiful urban gardens, bookable dining halls, a group study room, as well as a game room for you to unwind. With the City University of London, London Metropolitan University, and Queen Mary University of London within the locality, all you'll ever need to worry about is what you're making for dinner after class. It's also one of the most accessible stays with multiple leisure as well as retail hubs, and central London just a short 2 right away. Due to its great location, this property is a hot favorite amongst the students. It sells out fast, so make sure to book well in advance in order to book your favorite room. Room rentals start at £199 a week, so head over to amberstudent.com to make your reservation now.